Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Home Decor, your go-to source for the latest trends in home decor. Today, we're diving into the realm of adult room wallpaper, because who said wallpaper is just for kids? Before we explore the chic and sophisticated options, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's transform your space with some stunning wallpaper ideas. Gone are the days when wallpaper was considered outdated. Our first set of adult room wallpapers brings an air of elegance and sophistication to any space. Step into a world of timeless beauty with damask patterns. These intricate designs add a touch of luxury and make a statement without being overpowering. It's the perfect choice for those who love a classic, refined look. Bring the outdoors in with our next wallpaper trend: nature-inspired prints that create a tranquil retreat within your own four walls. Escape to a botanical paradise with wallpapers featuring lush foliage and floral motifs. Whether you prefer a tropical vibe or a more subtle leafy pattern, these wallpapers add a refreshing and calming atmosphere to your adult space. For those who love a contemporary edge, our third wallpaper trend introduces geometric patterns that bring a sense of glamour and sophistication. Geometric shapes and patterns can transform your room into a modern masterpiece. From bold, angular designs to subtle, sophisticated lines, these wallpapers are a perfect match for a sleek and stylish adult room. Our next wallpaper trend plays with texture and tone, adding depth and character to your space. Explore the world of textured wallpapers that create a tactile experience. Whether it's a subtle linen finish or a dramatic embossed pattern, these wallpapers add a layer of sophistication and warmth to your adult room. For those who crave a touch of glamour, our final trend introduces wallpapers with metallic accents that catch the light and elevate the overall ambiance. Turn your walls into a dazzling focal point with metallic wallpapers. Whether it's gold, silver, or copper accents, these wallpapers bring a touch of luxury and create a stunning visual impact. There you have it, a glimpse into the exciting world of adult room wallpaper trends. Which trend would you love to try in your space? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, may your walls be as stylish as you are.